Hi everyone, how are you all? My name is Sri. I would like to solve one course for Python question, and the name of the question is growth of a population. And the problem statement is, in a small town the population is P naught is equal to 1000 at the beginning of the year. The population regularly increases by 2% per year, and moreover 50 new inhabitants per year come to live in the town. How many years does the town needs to see its population greater than or equal to P is equal to 12 inhabitants? Here we are taking four arguments: P naught, percent, arg, and P. Here P naught is the initial population of the year. Percent means how much percent it will increase yearly. 50 new inhabitants means migrated people, and we need to compare whether it reaches to total population P 1200 inhabitants. Here the expression should be written as follows. See here 1000, that is P naught, plus here 1000 is P naught, and we are multiplying with percent, and see 2% here, right? Percent is 2, so 2 by 100, 2 by 100 gives 0.02, plus new people, that is migrated people, new inhabitants is 50, we are adding here 1070. In the second year then the population will be 1070, so after doing second the population becomes 1141, and end of third year the population becomes 12,013. So it reaches more than 1200, right? So we should return years as 3. Let's check now. I'm storing present population. I'm taking one variable present population, and here I'm storing P naught variable here. For counting I'm taking years, and I'm initializing with 0 initially. After that I'm using while loop to check whether it reaches 1200 or not. If it is reaches 1200, it should come out of the loop. So if it reaches false, that means it reaches more than 1200, the while loop will become false and comes out. Okay, here present population is equal to present population plus, here, right, we are instead of P naught we are using present population because we stored here, right? After that we are taking present population into percent. Here they give percent. After that percent should be divided by 100. After that I'm adding AUG. Here I'm taking, in order to avoid confusion, I'm taking brackets here. Okay, here I'm adding years. If it condition is true, it should be incremented with 1. So if not, we need to return years. Here one thing is there. If percent is 5, it's okay. If it is equal to 2.5, 0.25, there may be the condition of float like that. So in order to avoid it, I am converting whatever the output to integer value. So here all the test cases will be executed. See, I hope you understand this question. According to the problem statement, I wrote this question. Please remember this while converting, why we convert to integer type, in order to avoid float, and maybe the small due to small points the output will be changes. Because of that I am converting to integer type. I hope you understand this question. If you have any doubts, please do comment in the comment section. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.